So the law, you took me to that court to disgrace me. No, I was on my own. You said you want to handle this case. You took me to that court to disgrace me. You had nothing to say before the judge. Then now you're trying to put everything on me. You had nothing. You just went there to...
Mimi, please come off it. Come off it. We had a good case before you started denying Ebere. Why will you tell me you don't know Ebere? Ebere happens to be in the same compound with you.
So that's the only thing you have to say. That's the only thing you have to say. You couldn't find something else to say and make things work.
I tried all my judicial correspondence.
No, stop that nonsense. No, look at what I'm looking at. You're talking nonsense with your mouth. No, you want to speak English here. No, you did not even try to speak English in the court. Even when the judge tried to ask you to cross-examine Ebere, you couldn't say anything with your mouth.
I was trying to examine.
Stop talking that nonsense. You're just a compound lawyer.
Judge and bail lawyer. Only in this compound that you have mouth.
Birds of identical plumage, perambulating in similar corrigendum. That's the only English he knows how to speak. He did not pass anything. No one help pass. So the both of you thought you could sue me, and win me. Ha! And for you, Mr. Azu, you know I took like a brother. I even sold coat for you on my inauguration day. You betrayed me. Ha! No problem. But I will deal with all of you. Look at free hang me. Keep arguing. That's how you keep arguing this combat till God knows when. Don't worry.
This is what you want. This is what you want. Shame. Judge and bail lawyer.
There are still chances. There are still chances.
What chances? What chances? If the chances not from you. It's only in this compound you know how to speak English. Look at the other lawyer. See how the other lawyer was defending his clients. You nothing. Empty container.
Fwa! Compound lawyer.
There are chances. If we apply the right terminologies, there are chances.
Remove this. Come on, guys, remove your cloth fast. Why are you doing like... Well, I want to talk. Bring guys. Hey, get off. Let's go. I will still meet you inside that cell. Don't think that it's... I will still meet him inside. Keep on. A second.
Man, news from the compound. Can you imagine? Mimi has banned everybody from seeing you in this cell. Imagine, small Mimi.
I told you that power. You see power? Power used to intoxicate people. Look at how Mimi of yesterday. Mimi that... Was it not Mimi that was doing as if she cannot kill ants? Now Mimi is telling people not to come and see. Mimi, don't worry, that one is a matter of... How is Bistan... Are they still doing their call?
No, Bistan won. Mimi failed woefully. In fact, I wish you were there.
Bistan won?
Yes, Bistan won.
Exactly.
But Mark, I still don't understand why you are supporting Bistan like this. You know that guy don't have good intentions for you. Why are you still supporting Bistan? I need to know why.
Brown, in this business of politics, it's interest. For me, it's about money. He paid us 1 million naira to help him. We are helping him. It's just to help him. Do you think I like Bistan? It's just the money that is moving me. I need money. I need money in this cell. Do you think that this cell that I am here, I'm owing somebody? I told you what I told them. I need that 50 million. If not, they can kill me in this cell. That's Collins. Hey, if he will just shoot me or send one of his boys to kill me outside.
I understand.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Hey, before I forget, something very funny happened in the court.
What happened?
Ebere's phone was stolen inside the court.
A second.
Ebere's phone was stolen inside the court.
By a lawyer?
I don't know.
Somebody just entered. I thought that they say court is quietness, a place that people used to be quiet. So somebody can steal phone inside court.
My brother, it shocked me.
There's nothing that will not happen. Before we know that, they will say television is missing in Aso Rock. Hell, this country is unbelievable. Yeah. Sorry, my... let me go. Let me go and collect my dues from that idiot that just left here.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, I will.
Stay safe,
Wait, what is even going on here? Mimi, what is going on here? How come you called for a meeting and you're not saying anything? You just allow us to be moping at each other. Are we here to look at each other? Are we look ourselves boast? When I was the caretaker elect, I called for a meeting. I say exactly what I want to say in the meeting, and that's it. What's on this one now?
What are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Eh? Why are you shouting? First of all, I didn't even call for any meeting.
So who called for this meeting? Who called for this meeting now?
I called for the meeting. I called for this meeting because I want you people to contribute for my phone you people stole.
What did you just say, Mary? What? I want to understand. Who gave you the authority to go for this meeting? Even when you're just saying I don't come for meeting. What? Mary, you called for meeting and Mr. Azu came. What was the nonsense? No, you called for meeting for me to pay for your phone. How? Shit, you went into the court and witnessed against the caretaker elected. You don't know your phone will lost. When you went and witnessed in favor of president, you don't know your phone will lost.
Mr. Shut up there. Shut up there. You and Mimi are the cause. You and this caretaker elect. You are the cause of all this commotion. If you had not taken me to court, maybe she will not be there and her phone will not be stolen. What are you saying?
No, stop that nonsense. You just I was thinking you want to make sense in your statement and you're talking rubbish. Who took you to court? But then, in the petition, did you see my name? Did you see Mr. Azu's name? In that petition, did you see my name? If there's anybody who took you to court, it is the council and me, and not me.
Hey, Mr. Azu, please. I will ask you to refrain from such statements. I was only there to represent the claimant, which happens to be my client. You don't just mention council matters into a mere compound meeting, please.
Dilo, what do you mean by that?
I'm just saying.
Wait. You're denying me?
This is a compound meeting.
Well, whatever. Ebere, how much is your phone?
How will you ask how much is her phone? Eh? So who will pay for the phone now? Who will pay for the phone? Oh yeah, because the way you are going about this is now, after that you say, let us share the money among ourselves to pay for the phone. See, I'm not paying for any phone. No. Count me out in anything that concerns money. I'm not paying for nothing. However, you people have dragged her to court and the phone was stolen. You people should look for a way and replace her phone. I'm not paying for anything. Rubbish. Imagine the rubbish. You asking me to pay for a phone. How? Like how?
Why are you people looking at me? But then has left, who initiated the idea of paying for the phone? I've left. I'm not paying too. After I not take anybody to court. I'm not paying.
So why am I even sitting down here?
This is supposed to be a compound meeting. I have to go with my client.
Chamo, this idiot here, say no you, say don't foresee you before.
You have seen my face.
Stop now, stop.
You have seen my face before. Where did you see my face?
Yes, I've seen your face in one iPhone like that.
You saw my face?
Yes, I saw your face inside that phone. There's one slim girl inside that phone. Her picture she's plenty, and I believe she's the owner of that phone. Yes.
How is the girl?
The girl is slim, fair, very, very slim.
iPhone?
Yes, iPhone 12.
How did you get the phone?
I bought it from my friend. My friend that's living in my area.
The girl is fair, she's slim.
Yes.
You saw my face?
Yes, your face is inside.
That is Ebere's phone. Your friend have stolen Ebere's phone. Where is the phone?
Sir, I've sold the phone. I used it to do. I used it to collect loan from somebody.
Wait, did you sell the phone or you use it to collect loan?
I used it to collect loan. I used it to collect phone. And sir, there's something else I saw in that phone. Yes.
What?
Please, can I come close to you?
You even won't come close to Chamo. Hey Chamo. Oh, okay.
Agama Olakamada Pugi Bochia o Olakamada Pugi Bochia Ijaga Ijinji Ji Olakamada Pugi Bochia Igede Kidim Olakamada Pugi Bochia o Olakamada.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm frying beans.
Bestie, why are you hanging your clothes on this rope? Have I not told you that you never hang your clothes on this rope? Except all the women have hung their clothes on this rope. Except all the women are satisfied.
Mimi, there was never a time we discussed that, okay?
Bestie, remove your clothes from this rope or I'll do it by myself. Remove your clothes!
Wait, I don't understand.
I said remove your clothes from this rope or I'll will do it myself.
Mimi, if you try that one, I will beat you black and blue. I will so beat you that even your husband and your village people will not recognize you again. See, forget about that femininity something you're doing, family. I will beat you, nothing will happen. What rubbish is that one? See, I'm not well. I'm not okay. Don't try me. I will kill the outside of you. I will...
Just stop that nonsense. You're not well. Who is okay in this compound? Is anybody okay in this compound? Why would you point at Mimi? Don't you know she's the caretaker elected in this compound? Are you okay? Are you stupid? You know, she's the Queen Elizabeth of this compound. You're very stupid to point at her. You're an idiot. You're saying you're okay. Who is okay in this compound? Even Mark, is he okay? My caretaker, what happened?
Can you imagine? I told Beste not to spray his clothes on this rope again. Except all the women in this compound have finished spraying their clothes and they no longer need the rope. And Beste is still spraying his clothes. Now I came to meet him to tell him to remove his clothes. He told me that he will beat me. He will beat me blue and black.
All right, Beste.
Yes.
Just take this clothes. I want you to beat me. Beat me, let me see you.
Okay.
Beste, beat me, let me see you.
Beat me.
No, beat me now.
Beat
Touch her,
me.
let me see you. Can you touch me? Let me see you. You don't have respect for leadership. People in this country, everyone is smart. Nobody has respect for leadership. No, that is what Mark is teaching you in the cell. That is why he wants to visit Mark every day. And he's teaching yourself. No, beat her now. Nobody has respect for leadership in this country. You don't want to respect the leaders. How will you be respected, idiots? No, beat her now, let me see.
Come and beat me now, you're running. You beat me, blue and black.
Kebran, there is a prisoner that I want you to release. You help me sign so that they can release the person.
Okay.
And he's going to take you to where he sold the phone. You see that Ebere's phone that was missing? I think the person that stole it sold it to him.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Yes. And he have used it to go and collect money from somebody. He used it to borrow money. So you follow him to the place he borrowed the money and bring the phone because that phone is very important.
Yeah, really?
Please, make sure, no matter what you do, you must bring that phone back.
Okay, you say so.
My future depends on that phone. Please, that Ebere's phone. And don't let Ebere know that we have found her phone.
Oh, of course.
The prisoner, his name is... What is the name of that prisoner?
Victor.
Good. I like you. When I come out of this place, Victor,
Victor.
They will call him, you release him, secure his bail.
Okay.
He said bail is free. Am I paying?
No, don't worry, I'm going to run that now.
What I know how to do best. No be right to shout, instead we apply native sense. Papa, where they do, begin follow you. Like father, like son, now so you go follow you. Nigerian politics don't run.
See, bro, what I'm saying is, that phone that my brother used in collecting loan as collateral, I want to collect the phone back. Sorry, that's not how I mean. See, I mean, I want to pay you back the money for the loan and with interest, so I can collect the phone back. Yes. He gave you, he borrowed 2,000 naira from you, but I added 1,000 naira, making it 3,000. So give me the phone.
This money complete?
Yes, complete.
You sure?
Yes. Can I have the phone?
You see that phone, That phone. I know they can collect loan. From Capo Zero.
Capo Zero?
But why they shout like that, sir?
Who is Capo Zero? So, my brother, what are we going to do?
You and who they do, brother? Who your brother? See, if you want that phone again, if you won't ever see that phone again, you go meet Capo Zero and I hold your phone. They hear me? You they hear me?
Bro, if you don't have the phone, now give me back the money.
Now me touch for this side, so.
Give me back the money if you don't have the phone.
I go give you, don't worry now. I go give you the phone.
Who is this Capo Zero? Take me to this Capo Zero. Let me go and collect this phone.
Take it to where? Capo Zero. He's the leader of the causes of this environment. Very dangerous man.
Don't worry, I know what to do. Just take me to him.
No, I beg go. Don't go. If instead you want to die, don't just go.
Do you know who I am? Take me to him. Don't worry, take me to him.
This man we are talking about is very dangerous.
Don't worry yourself. I know what to do. Just take me to him. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Don't worry, man.
See, this man is a killer.
Why are you afraid
You
now?
don't need to go.
See, don't worry. Just watch me. Just watch me.
See, we are almost getting there. You need to go.
Don't worry. I have this thing under control. Just, you've not seen me before.
Please.
Oh, here.
Inside.
Here. Don't worry. Let's go. Calm down. Let's go.
Hey, wait, come on, who goes you?
I goes myself.
Oh boy, identify yourself.
Me and my brother.
Come on, who are you now?
Oh, weed. I don't do Nigerian weed. I do only Jamaican weed. Boom, clad.
That's exactly how it happened. See, I don't want to go back there. Those guys are really, really bad guys. They can kill somebody. And those guys are dangerous. They are very, very dangerous.
It's not a problem. Look, you know this boy, this is my boy, Kevin.
Kevin.
Call him, tell him that I'm calling him. Invite him here. He will take care of it.
But they stole my phone.
They also collected your phone?
Yes. In fact, going out from there was a narrow escape.
I will tell you where to find Kevin. I will give you an address. Please give me paper and pen. I will tell you where to find Kevin. Get Kevin here. Kevin will take care of it. Don't worry, he knows what to do.
I hope so.
You know that place that they smoke Igbo? That Ukumango.
Okay.
If you go like this.
Mark, finally, so this is the phone that has put us through all this trouble.
This is a very phone.
Yes.
Hey! This is the phone. This is the phone.
Yes. Is there any problem?
Kibran. Kibran, I'm a free man.
Are you serious?
Kibran, I'm a free man.
I don't understand.
Kibran, I'm a free man.
You're looking at phone and you're saying you're free.
Hey, Kibran, you don't understand. Kibran, I'm a free man. I'm a free man. There's DPO. There's DPO. I'm a free man. Hey, Kibran, can I take this? Kibran, I'm a free man. I'm a free man. Hey, I'm a free man. Yes, oh, yes, I'm a free man. I'm a free man. Thanks for watching that video. I hope you liked it. Please share this video, like it and share it so that your friends can see it. Let us share laughter around the world.